How to change voice effects on CapCut. In this quick tutorial, you will learn how to change your voice on CapCut. First, open CapCut. Now tap on Edit and create new project. Tap on New Project. Now once you create a project, let me play the voice for now.
He doesn't even know I exist.
Now, in order to change your voice, tap on your video. And all you have to do is here scroll to the left and you will see extract audio right here. Tap on it and extract the audio. As you can see, your audio has already been extracted. Now tap on that extracted audio. Tap on it. Now all you have to do is tap on audio effect. Tap on it. From here you can change the voice, like you can change it to high. If you don't like it, you can change it to low.
He doesn't even know I exist.
Now for others, it requires the premium. If you have got the premium, you can change it to any voices from here. And that's it. Changing the voice in CapCut is super easy and simple process. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more video tips. Thank you for watching.